Hi guys, we are going to see in this video how to replace the battery in ASUS laptop. Okay, the laptop which I am having, I will just show you the model number. It's basically the model number is X551M. It's notebook PC, and we have a problem in the battery and it's not getting charged. So we are going to replace this battery and I will show you how to replace this battery. You can see on this laptop you have several screws at the back side. You can see one screw, two, and then you have third screw, and you have another two screws in the middle, and then you have on the right corner another two more screws, and there is also a screw at the center. First we need to remove these screws and place it on the table on a position exactly matching where it has to be put, so that it's easy to remember which screws goes into the which place. So let me get a screwdriver, star screwdriver, to remove these screws. Okay, this is the screwdriver set which I have for working on the laptops. It's Pros Kit, and in this I need to select the right one which can be fitted in the screws, and I have selected already one, and I'm just going to use this for removing the screws on the laptop. Let's start doing it. Okay, let's focus on this first screw. Okay, I'm just removing the screw and I'm losing it. Okay, it's come out. And then next you remove this screw. You can see how to remove it. Just unscrew this, and like this you can unscrew all the screws in this. And unscrew this, and unscrew this, then unscrew this, and there are two more screws, three more, yeah. So you have to unscrew this screw, and this also. Just done it, and this also is done. This is done, and there is one more here. Okay, yes, all the screws are done now, and I'm going to place it in a position in the table so that when I want to put it back, I should know which screw has to go into which position. So let me place it on the table in the right place. Okay, this screw I am just taking it out from here and keeping it on the table on this position, and the next screw I am just picking it up from this, and so that I can put it on the position exactly so that I can remember. Yeah, this is in the middle, and I will pick up this screw and I will put it here so that when I want to replace I can put it, and then I will pick up this screw and keep it here so that the screws are in a position here. And let me pick up this screw, and this is to be in the middle, yeah, yes, right. And then we have another two more screws, the one on the corner to be placed here, and one here, and okay, it's not a little bit unscrewed here, so I will keep it on this in the middle of this here, and this is another one more. So when I want to put it back, it will be easy for me to identify which screw has to go into the which position. That's why we are doing this. You can see that now all the screws are kept on the table in the respective position so that it will be easy for us to put it back. Now turn the laptop and then open the screen. Now we need to remove the upper cover so that we can replace the battery. So it's just little here, yeah. So just you can see that it's came out, and also on this side just try to lift it little bit and don't press too much hard, so it should be like this. So it's very easy. If you know how to remove it, it's very easy, and do it slowly so that you don't break anything. And I'm just removing this. Okay, now almost the keyboard is getting out, but be careful, there is a cable below this, if you see here. Yeah, but we don't need to plug out this cable because we just need to replace the battery. So I will be just not going to remove the cable, I just slide it out like this. So now we can see the battery inside the laptop, which now we are going to remove it and replace with the new one. Okay, let's try to take it out. I think it's very not very difficult. Maybe since I have to do it on one hand, I'm finding it difficult. If you have two, since I record at the same time. So yes, oh sorry. Okay, the battery is out now. Now we will replace this battery with a new one. Now let us take the new piece. This is the new piece which I have purchased, and I'm going to put it into this slot. Let's do this, and yeah, now the battery is seated in the slot. Now we are ready to close the keyboard and then put the screws back, and hope this should be all right after this. Okay, let's do that. So now you are put the keyboard on the same and just press it lightly so that it gets into seated properly. You can hear the sound, tack tack. And so now I think the keyboard is in and it is fixed. Now we will be turning close the screen, and then we will put the screws back. You can take the screws again and put it in the respective positions. Like here I took this and I take this screw and put it on this, and I am going to fetch this screw and it should be on this position, and I have to take the other screws. Yeah, this one will go into this, and then we have middle two. You can see here, put it on this. You have this and keep it here, and you have one screw here and just put it here, and then you have another one, the last piece here. So now all the screws are in respective position. Now we are going to tighten it. So let me tighten this one. Then and the middle one. Okay, and this. Okay, now on this this screw we have to tighten it. Great, done. And then we are going to do this. Good. So everything is going well, and let's see, after completing our job, we will power on the laptop and verify that battery is getting charged and working fine. So let me just put this, tight the screws. I think one more still after this. Yes, one more screw. Yes, so I'll be just doing that. I hope everything is done now, and just a final touch. Okay, I think it's fine. Okay, let's turn the laptop back. Okay, now we are going to try to on it, but I didn't put it for charging for the moment. Let's get there's a power in the battery or not. Otherwise I need to put it for charging first. Let me connect the power adapter. Okay, so the power adapter is connected now, and just I can see that it's we have seen the lights on this one battery, and let's on the PC, and once it comes up we can verify the battery is getting charged. So it's coming up now, starting up. Let's wait for it to complete. Okay, the laptop is up now, and you can see that the corner, on the right corner, you can see the battery showing icon is showing up there, and it is charging, and we can click on this and see that 3% is charged now. It takes another 1 hour 50 minutes until fully charged. Hope we have fixed the battery problem now on this ASUS laptop, and I hope this video helps for those who wants to replace the battery in ASUS laptop. Thank you very much.